Hi Celine, sweetheart, my sayang. See, now our small home here at Tudan. After I put our things above the rack that I built last time. Still remember, isn't it, Celine? See how useful is this rack? See, so now there's more space on the floor. And also here, Celine, this simple rack, I put all that black bag, and I put this round table here. So I put handphone here, and yeah, also bring a rack here, and I hang there. Then after this, Celine, sorry, the camera moves very fast. I bring a bed, wooden bed, wooden bed. See, this long brown black wood is a bed. I'm gonna assemble it, and this bed, this bed for me here after this. Okay, Celine sayang, I love you all. Bye.